So congratulations, you completed the first batch of this part. Of course, if you are ready for the next challenge, we have the next challenge as well. That will be the next tab. This will be the bookkeeping tab. So we have our annual tab, and of course we're going to make a new tab called the bookkeeping tab. And this is really exciting. That will be the next series videos. You will just check on the link. You will see the picture of the things regarding to that series that starts. Next, if you really like these series, and I'm trying to give as much as possible value to keep you up to date with Excel, because Excel is phenomenal. Trust me, it is really good, it's really wonderful to use. And if you like this, and maybe you say, well, I like this and I would like to know even more regarding to this, I have a link in the description where you have where you can experience as well a free course where you can learn all about Excel as well. And I'm expanding all these as well, and many of these things that you learn here, there we go even deeper. We dive deeper, we go deeper in the topics. So if you're really interested, check out the link below. It would be wonderful to have you on board on this course. It's free. The course link is free, so I don't charge you anything for that. Alright, so and next, if you're ready, check out the next part. We're going to make the bookkeeping part. This is exciting because you will notice that all these videos are connected, so you're not done. Please do not delete this Excel workbook. Do not delete it. Keep it, because we're going next and next and next, and you'll probably have more than 10 different tabs at the very end of this entire course, because it's massive. It's really massive. But I'm excited about it because it's really one of the best courses. I really invest a lot of time in this, and I hope you like it as well. And if you have also any questions, put them in the comments below. I'm very curious to hear what you think about it.